I am so sure we just completely hiked down a random place.
Wait, point up there, not a person. Up on the ridge. To the right.
What's right in front of us?
Yeah, person. There you go.
Are we meant to be up there?
Yeah, that's Michelle, I think.
Oh shit. Oh god.
We did have to go down there.
We just walked through another crater. Oh god. It's nighttime, why are there still bugs? Oh my god. So where do you think she is?
There she is. We got lost.
She's where we left her. Hey, found a path. Woo. And the power goes out again. Yay. Yay. Swollen knee. Yay. Swollen upper knee. Yay.
No, don't leave me, Cal. Oh, look at his face. Hello. He was over there like eating all those bananas off the tree. He's tethered up usually, but he broke his tether. He was like moving all night, and then we came out this morning and he was just over there eating all the bananas. Now he's eating some leaves. I'm hoping he doesn't kill me. Oh, hello. Bulls, don't rush at me. Ow. Okay, bye bye. I think we should tell them.
Yeah, I will.
Let me see. There's another one. What if they let them off in the mornings or something? So this used to be a...
Oh, look, it is too.
Yeah, this phone might die any second because it was on 2%.
I haven't vlogged in a little while because I've been really unwell. I've been having like diarrhea and stuff, which has been fun. But I'll probably look better in a bikini, so yeah. That sounds really bad, doesn't it? It's the truth though. I wouldn't do it on purpose, but you know what I mean. Basically, we're about to go out and snorkel and stuff like that, but turns out the snorkeling equipment isn't included, and we didn't know that. So, ooh, my stomach is cramping so much right now. But yeah, we didn't know it was included, so we're trying to hire it out now, but it's really hard because they don't take credit cards, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully we're not just wandering the ocean without anything. I'm looking at Blake, by the way. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Wonderland. Actual Wonderland.
Two dogs.
Okay. Look how happy they are.
Perfectly manicured garden.
Yeah. And we're gonna have lunch here. Very nice. I'm so ready for this. I love these ones too. I haven't had them for ages. Oh yes. Oh yes. What flavor is that? Passion fruit. This is lemon. Clean version of our doggy. Hello. Oh, he must be so hot in his fur coat. Do you want to take the fur coat off? Do you like my joke? He's cute. Looks like he's wearing eyeliner. Baby doll. We get to do it! Woo! So bumpy. Sad, dude. Oh really?
They all waved at you when you did that.
Oh, people waving at me and I said sad, dude. Oh, the boobs. Oh. We just opened this up and okay then, okay. The Australia's not that bad. People always complain about it being filled up to like here. Oh my god. This is a meal for 3. Oh, show your battle scars. These battles. These battles. Show your bent finger as well. Oh, that's cool. Okay, ready? Go on the side. Oh, why windy now? Sherrid. Guys, look how dumb this turn line is. Such an idiot. Before we got out out of the boat. I didn't put it on my legs because I was going to be underwater, but then I didn't go. Such weird patches. I don't really understand what happened. Is it like my hand? I don't know. Guys, same seat. How weird is that?
Look at this air conditioning, these fans.
I know.
The shower.
Everything's so nice.
Thoughts on the...
I don't think you can see much because it's dark, but we'll show it again in the morning. So good. I love the bed. What? Where's the door go? I guess out the front. This is so nice.
I know, it's beautiful.
Wi-Fi as well. Yay! Yeah, it's probably in here somewhere. Ugh, the shower. We've had pretty crap showers recently, and I know that sounds really ungrateful, but I mean like literally crap as in just cold. Completely 100% cold, which has sucked. Morning time. We've been awake for quite a while, and guys, I've been using Sleep Cycle, and the app said I got 100% quality sleep, so I'm pretty happy. Yeah, just ignore the random old man. Anyway, we're gonna go to breakfast now. Look, looks even prettier now that it's daytime. Look at all the flowers. So pretty. I feel like I need sunglasses for breakfast. That really is slippery one way. Trust me, I've fallen over twice. It sucked. And I was alone for one of them. And I was scared that crab. What's that crab called?
Coconut crab.
Guys, look up coconut crabs right now. I would put it on the screen, but honestly, it's like a jump scare. It's terrifying. I ain't doing it. Anyway, breakfast time.
Table that you're not sitting at. Show them. Oh fuck.
Still biting your lip, man.
Oh my god, look at that. Look how weird it looks.
Oh, I don't even want to film it.
No, I can do it here, I just don't want to waste my time here.
Everything's lower, so sometimes there.
You can get it like really a lot.
Spilling down inside you, really?
Oh shit.
Nice.
But look, it's above it. Look, no, look, it's above. Surface tension of water, my friend. I'm the master.
Don't challenge him.
Can't move it. Oh, he's gonna be sick after this.
He probably will be sick.
Sharon's dying. I've got it on camera. It's cold, as that was hot. It's really nice once you get in. You're standing up right here. And look up here. I think we're upside down. Yep. Myself upside down before. There you go, do a panorama. This is so cool.
How does it get here?
Normally you just get a salty shit around
this a little bit like the one?
Nah, the other one was like closed to like in a huge cave type of thing.
It's so weird that it doesn't taste like anything. That's the weirdest thing. Isn't that weird? Okay, I just got things. It's just when I touch the ground, I'm standing on stones, so I'm a bit.
That's alright.
Swim off thing.
Stone's good. You can go another step.
Stone's good. What does that mean? Stone's good.
No, eating it's not sharp stuff.
No, I'm mentally trying to right now. The hardest part is the top of the body.
So once you're in, it's not.
No, that's fine.
Catch you in the dinner.
Is this sort of spot?
This is Sheribubble live in Espirito Santo, about to go into the first blue hole. Look, fish! Back to Sheridan.
You sure they didn't just take them out and put them in here? How did can't speak.
Get Blake to explain that to
No,
you.
but how did the original fish get in a freshwater hole?
I don't know. Probably quicker than you did.
I'll probably be curious.
Just get in, then I'll go and find the angelfish. Yeah, good acting. Oh yeah, is that like literally straight there?
Blake, don't scare it.